Ever wonder why your stomach suddenly growls during a silent moment? It is not your stomach begging for food. Not exactly. The growling sound actually comes from your intestines. Here is what happens. When your stomach is empty for a while, your brain sends signals to your digestive system to clean up leftover food. That triggers muscle contractions in your stomach and small intestine, called the migrating motor complex. These contractions push remaining food, liquid, and gas down the pipeline, and that movement, that is what causes the rumble. The sound just seems louder when you are hungry because your stomach is empty and there is less to muffle the noise. So next time you hear that embarrassing growl, remember, it is just your gut doing maintenance. Your body is wild, right? Stick around for more facts.